transport safety.
Thank you, sir. Sir, the increasing number of accidents involving school vans and buses has become a serious issue necessitating immediate action, sir. Sir, despite existing state-specific laws and guidelines from the CBSE and directives from the Supreme Court, several notable enforcement challenges and fundamental issues still persist. Sir, a national study conducted by the Save Life Foundation in 2021 has found that 47% school transport vehicles lack seat belts. Only 48 have speed governors. 41% schools have no transport manager. 25% parents could verify that GPS and CCTV systems were operational in school buses. So 12% indicated the absence of safety devices such as fire extinguishers and first aid kits. Over 50% have no emergency contact information. There have been 26% incidents of reckless driving. Currently, sir, Indian law does not mandate seat belts in school buses. While some states have instituted requirements for CCTV cameras in school buses, these practices are not universally applied. Besides, sir, buses, private vans, auto rickshaws are the most prevalent mode of transport in Tier 2 and rural areas, Tier 2 cities and rural areas, but now they have started plying even in Tier 1 cities. These are overcrowded vans and auto rickshaws and unregulated taxis, sir. Despite having one of the highest rates of road crash fatalities globally, India does not have a uniform, comprehensive national policy on school transport safety. While some states have initiated standard policies for school vehicles, including vans and buses, they remain largely on paper with no effective enforcement. Additionally, there's a lack of regulation and safety measures, sir, for auto rickshaws and e-rickshaws ferrying children. To address these issues, I urge the government to develop a national school transport policy to establish uniform safety regulations across all states. This policy should mandate seat belts, CCTVs, GPS in school vehicles. Regulations must also extend to private schools and transport options such as autos, vans and rickshaws, ensuring a defined set of safety standards is applied, sir. Furthermore, we need to enforce existing school transport guidelines on speed limits, overcrowding, checks and safety equipment requirements. Regular safety audits on all school vehicles should become a standard practice. Schools must implement effective grievance redressal mechanisms. It is imperative to ensure that school drivers receive regular training and sensitization, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.